Glad to see you back. My name is Shama Bell, and I am working on the 4th session of our video on the flower wrapped ring from a drawing. Okay, and we left off, and this is where we left off. You're going to bring this back around over to this side, and where you see this part of the petal, you are actually going to wrap that through the center, back underneath to the right side of your wire. Okay? And put your thumb down here, and easy, so you do not kink your wire. Bring that. There we go. This might be easier so you can see. Bring your wire taut to the other side. Back where you go, mister. Just like that. And my wire flower is looking all kind. There we go. Just like that. And see if I can bring it in closer for you. There we go. Okay. And bring it underneath the flowers, flower petals all the way around. Cinch it up a little tight, like so. Okay. Do it once more. Okay. Right here, where you first went in the first time, you're going to bring that, make sure that that stays underneath the petal, but bring it back through, under petal, back through down there, cinch it up, and you're going to go once, twice, 3 times around these 2 wires. Okay? There we go. Make it a little easier. There's one. And then let's do it twice. Let's see how that looks. Nope, definitely need 3 times. I was correct. Alright, there's that side. Now, since I don't really like to waste any wire, I'm going to curly cue this, or scroll it, or however you fancy your words, but the correct terminology would be to scroll this wire. And all we're going to do is we're going to bend the ends right here, like so. Okay, and I'm going to take my chain nose pliers, put that back where it goes, chain nose pliers, and we are going to start rolling the end of this wire onto itself. And that's how you scroll wire. And one thing I did forget to tell you at the very beginning of your show, if you do jewelry, you already know this, but if you're a first timer, you never want any of your tools to have the ridges or the grooves on the inside of your tools. You want them to be nice and smooth, okay? That way they don't mar or mark your metal, okay? As we continue to bring this. Okay, and we're going to fold that right up in there, just like that. Okay, now your metal should look just like that. Okay, alright, now we are right where you belong. I gotta pull you back over. There you go. Okay, we're going to take our chasing hammer, and we are just going to kind of beat on this just for a second. Just slightly. Okay, and all this is going to do is work harden your ring, so your ring shank will be slightly harder than it was and less resistant to moving. You don't really want it to move a whole bunch when it was finally your size. Okay, so now this is what you have so far. Okay, very, very easy. I'll put you right back on this ring mandrel. Okay, and now what we are going to do is take your 26 gauge wire Okay, and we are going to pick one of these loops through here and one of these loops here. I don't know if you can see that very well. We're going to put you down right through here. Okay, and we're going to start it. Okay, and once I got that looped on there, you'll have to watch the next session of the video in order to see the rest of this ring. Okay, I am going to bend this up onto itself like that. That way it'll fit around this ring. And voila, it is fixed. Okay.